Good morning, everybody. Last time we have discussed about the fundamental forces in nature. So, in the fundamental forces in nature, we have discussed the gravitational force completely and electromagnetic force, and we have derived its formula and we defined the permittivity. After that, we have to discuss about the properties of electromagnetic force. Properties of electromagnetic force. First property, it is attractive or repulsive in nature. It means if the charge are similar means same nature, positive or negative. So at that time it will be repulsive force. If the charges are of opposite nature, positive and negative or negative and positive, so at that time this force will be attractive. So the first property becomes it is attractive or repulsive in nature. Second, it is long range force. It is long range force, means it is from 10 to the power effective 10 to the power minus 14 or 15 meter to few kilometers. Now, third, it obeys inverse square law. It obeys inverse square law. Fourth, it is central force. Central force means it acts along the line joining their centers. Fifth is it is conservative force. As I told you last day, conservative forces, those forces, the work done by them depends only on initial and final position, not depends upon the path traveled by the body. It means these type forces are conservative forces, or in detail we have to discuss these forces in fourth unit. Okay, we will discuss in detail. Now sixth, it is 10 to the power 36 times stronger than gravitational force. How much? 10 to the power 36 times stronger than gravitational force. Now seventh property, its field particle is photon. Photon, Photon. Photon is the field particle. As I told you, a thing or a matter which exchanged between two bodies during the forces acting between them. So these are the properties of electromagnetic force. After that, we have to discuss third, that is weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force. Before studying about this or before definition of this force, we should know that at the time of radioactivity, means during the radioactivity, we know that there is no negative charge inside the nucleus, but during the radioactivity we get the three types of particles. First, alpha particles, which are positively charged, beta particles, which are negatively charged, and gamma rays, which are electrically neutral. Okay, so we know that this thing, there is no negative mass or negative charge inside the nucleus, then from where we are getting the beta particles during the radioactivity? So this can be explained with the help of weak nuclear force. So note down the definition. The interaction force. The interaction force between the elementary particles like lepton, like this, LAP, lepton, meson, lepton, baryon, meson, baryon, like this. So this force, these are the elementary particles. So we can define the interaction force between the elementary particles like lepton, meson, lepton baryon, meson baryon, etc., which explains the beta decay of radiation of beta particles from the nucleus during the radioactivity is known as what? Weak nuclear force. So you can understand this. We know that in nucleus there are neutrons, which are electrically neutral, protons, which are positive charge. So when a neutron changes into a proton, a beta particle is produced there, means a electron is produced there, like this. P कह दो या H कह दो, ऐसे भी नोट कर सकते हो. -1 beta particle 0 plus anti-neutrino. Its name is anti-neutrino. So this beta particle negative charge. So this force explains this. Now we have to discuss the properties of weak nuclear force. Properties of weak nuclear force. First property, it is short range force. It is short range. Short range means it can active at about 10 to the power minus 15 meter distance. Second, it is 10 to the power 25 times stronger than gravitational force. It is 10 to the power 25 times stronger than gravitational force. Third, its field particle is boson. Its field particle is boson. So these are the three properties of the weak nuclear forces. After this, we have to discuss the strong nuclear force. Strong, fourth, that is strong nuclear force. Actually, you have seen that some nuclei are very strong, means in that the nucleons strongly bound with each other, that cannot be break down easily. But some nuclei are such that they can disintegrate or divide into small nuclei very easily. So this is due to this strong nuclear force. Those nuclei which have the strong nuclear force large, so at that time it cannot be disintegrate or it cannot be break down. If it is weak, so it can easily break down. So we can define the strong nuclear force, the strong attractive force between the nucleons inside the nucleus is known as strong nuclear force. And you can understand this if this is the nucleus, in this protons and neutrons are present. Neutrons are electrically neutral, means there is no charge on these, and protons have the positive charge. So at this time there are two forces acting inside this nucleus. That force, one of them is electrostatic force or Coulomb force, so that is repulsive force, and another force is strong nuclear force. When this repulsive force becomes stronger than or more than the strong nuclear force, at that time that nucleus can easily break down. If this stronger or this stronger attractive nuclear force is more than the repulsive force between the positive charge, in that case this nucleus becomes strong or these nucleons tightly bound. Okay, so you can understand this. Next, properties First property, it is short range force. Short range means less than equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. When the distance increases beyond this distance, at that time electrostatic force becomes dominant there. If the distance becomes less than this or this and less than this, at that time the strong nuclear force is dominant there. Now second, it is 10 to the power 38 times stronger than gravitational force. That's why it is the strongest force in nature. Now third, its field particle is meson, and in recent years its other name means its other particle discovered, that is gluon. Gluon, not gluon, gluon. This is the field particle. So these are the properties of strong nuclear force.